Hello sunshine, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gigi, and today what we are going to do is something a little fun, a little 70s, a little awesome. I think they're super cute. I hope you think so too. We're going to start by taking, if you remember the last video where we looked at all the new stuff, this particular bottle of top coat got really corrupted, and that's fine. It was almost empty. It is almost empty. And so we're going to pour some out and use some of those powders that we did not test in that video and just do a little set with them. Since we didn't get to play with them in that video, let's go ahead and do something. So I'm mixing it up with that top coat. We did a little pink. Then we're going to come in with a purple. I have them all opened and ready. I was trying to be efficient, you know how you do. And we're going to mix up this pretty purple. Off camera, I do end up doing a little more mixing because I realized like there's a little bit of unmixed top coat right there. So I do mix them up a little more thoroughly before I use them. In case you noticed that. That's right. I'm trying to close them as I go because these kind of things get spilled super easily. And they're so beautiful and precious, and I don't want to ruin them. Somebody worked hard to get these for us, so I want to honor that by not being wasteful, right? I've been trying so hard lately to think about the whole chain of how things get to me and not just be the consumer on the end, but to be thoughtful about it. And you don't always make it, right, when you're trying to do something, but I've been trying. If you've been trying something like that, tell me what you do to help yourself and how deep do you go with it. Sometimes it's distressing, honestly. So what I'm going to do is paint the 4 nails that aren't painted already as Frenches. We're just going to give them little nail beds, and it looks just like that. It's that simple. While those cure, I wanted to show you this cute little guy that I got from Demonically Cute. It's a shop on Store Envy, and you can use this little thing right here to go to their shop. And I need a name for this guy, or gal, rather. I think it's a girl. It is a Pride Demonic Goat. So if you have any ideas for a name for that little guy or gal, whatever, I say guy, whatever, all of it's interchangeable, right? We could be what we feel we are. So that's what that goat represents. Give me a name. Help me pick out a name. Okay, I think it's a super cute little demonic goat. So so now we're taking those little jellies while I'm talking about the goat, and we are just filling in our Frenches, and we're doing blah blah blah. If you look at the creation we made with the gels, it's very shimmery, right? It's a shimmer jelly nail. So we're going to fill all of the Frenches with shimmer jelly, and each one is going to be its own color. And then we're going to use some complementary colors in our next step. So we're just making our prettiness. I hope you guys are having a happy Saturday. I thought about doing something for Kitten Day. It's Kitten Day today. If you have a kitten, give them a little hug. I'm allergic to kittens, so I do not have a kitten, nor do I ever plan to have a kitten. I'm actually not even that fond of cats. They're fine. They exist, and I accept that. I don't have any strong feelings about them either way. There have been kittens in my life that I thought were nice, and I was nice to them. I'm a dog person. As you know, I have a dog. He is amazing. His name is Jake. This is the last color. I was just babbling there for a second. There's a little insight into my life, I guess. I don't like cats as much as I like dogs, but cats are fine. I actually really love horses, but having had a horse as a child, I know they are a lot of work. But they're also a lot of love, so, I kind of don't hate it. And I don't hate the way that horse poop smells, right? It smells kind of grassy and fresh to me compared to other poop, right? So now we're just gonna come in. I have done a matte top coat, and we're gonna come in and make some flowers. I'm just gonna make these a little 70s floral. You know I like that vibe. You know I do. I'm not gonna show you every single flower, but we are gonna do a couple here together. And the colors that I picked were the orange, the a bright pink, and a deep purple. And I'm not one of the flowers is a full flower. They're all like half flowers. I really respond to that for some reason. I don't know what it is, but I like it when they're a little off the side. It's a vibe, right? It's a vibe. I want to practice some new flowers, actually. I think I'm going to do that this afternoon and make some shorts or something. So be sure to subscribe. You don't want to forget to do that. Also, don't forget, for my subscribers and the people that comment on Thursday's video will be entered in to a drawing that I'm going to do on Friday. For you get to pick your prize. Pick your prize. There, you have 3 choices. You get to pick your prize. So make sure that you're subscribed and make sure you get over there and enter that giveaway. If it is past July 15th of 2022 when you see this video, I'm sorry, that contest is over. But stay tuned. There's bound to be another one coming up around the corner. And the quicker that we get to 500 subscribers, the quicker we are going to have a bigger giveaway. So there you guys go. It is in your best interest to share the channel, because I have plans that happen at 500 and 1,000. So let's get me there as fast as we can. I like that idea. So as you can see, while I was babbling, I added some dots to this one, and we are going to make a little cage or frame or lines. We're gonna outline the French. Just because I felt like it needed that extra 70s vibe, and white striping was like, it was mod, right? Very mod. These are very mod. That's what we'll call these, Mod Podge. No, that's hodgepodge. Mod Madness. Mod Madness. Oh, that's the name of these nails. We worked it out together, guys. We're going to go ahead and give them a shiny top coat. But I'm telling you, as you can see before I top coat them, if you had done a matte top coat and maybe sugared the flowers, that would be a really cute effect as well. So I think we need to do some sugaring. What do you want to see me sugar? Let me know. Tell it to me in the comments. This is the finished product. I am super pleased with this set. Let me know what you think. You know where. Again, down in the comment section below. If you have any requests, please let me know. I was thinking about something for tomorrow. Stay tuned to the channel. Something might happen. You'll see. Guys, thank you so much for watching. We're going to see you next week for some more awesome sets. Bye-bye.